This is the tag I ripped off last night. It has Japanese instructions. And their logo seems to be guard your freedom. Here is a sticker, I believe. Yes. A very reflective logo sticker. It's a nice sticker. Maybe I'll use it. Not going to show on camera, but this one is obviously the channel logo. Take those off. And there we go. And then finally we have strap 1, strap 2, strap 3, strap 4, and then a shoulder strap, which I'll probably just tuck inside the bag for those moments where I might need it. But then there's this hand strap too. Just do all 4 like that. Lots of slack. There you have it. I would bet there's a front and back to this. The way I'm going to do it is, this is a reflective spot. This side doesn't have it, so normally that would be what you want to go backwards. And then with the top box, this is all still gettable. For fun, let's roll it up. Then have these two. Okay, so what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to just clip these across the top and tell you, the viewer, that this is the first time I've ever owned. So I'm sure this is not them, I'm sure this is me. But it does all seem overly complicated, but I'm sure it's exactly what most are like. For now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to roll it and pin it in. Repeat on all 4. Okay, so that's what the bag looks like.